Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the remote has a microphone button and that your Roku is online. Press the Home button, then go to Settings System Voice to enable voice control. This activates the feature. Once done, test the mic briefly by saying hello or a simple command so you verify the device heard you. Make sure your Roku and remote firmware are up to date, because voice features depend on recent updates and stable Wi-Fi for processing. Now you'll learn the execution. Press and hold the mic button while you speak, then release to send the command. This tells the Roku when to listen and stop. Use clear, concise phrases, launch Hulu or search action movies, because shorter commands reduce recognition errors. For complex requests, speak naturally. Show me comedies from the 1990s will search content and filter results. If Roku asks a follow-up, answer briefly. That two-way flow improves accuracy and speeds finding what you want. Finish by confirming the command outcome. If search returns multiple items, use the arrow keys and OK to pick the correct result. If voice commands don't work, restart the Roku and repair the remote. This often clears temporary glitches. Make sure Wi-Fi signal is strong and firmware is current, because poor connectivity or outdated software prevents processing. A quick troubleshooting tip: if recognition stays poor, try the Roku mobile app's voice input to determine whether the remote's mic or Roku's network is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.